Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are both safe and doing well. In today's video, I share with you a simple but elegant faux marble wall art DIY. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. Before we get started, I wanted to quickly invite you guys to visit my new online store from DeniseWithLove.com. A big thank you to everyone who has already gone out and supported the store. Now on to the video. I'm starting off with these inexpensive canvases that I picked up on sale from my local craft store. So the first thing I did was paint my canvas with this white acrylic paint that I already had at home. Once my paint was completely dry, I added some of this inexpensive marble contact paper that I ordered from Amazon. This contact paper isn't wide enough to cover up the sides of this canvas, so here I'm cutting out a piece that will only cover the front of the board. Once I had my contact paper properly in place, I then slowly removed the backing so that I could adhere the contact paper to my canvas. You may be wondering why I decided to paint my canvas only to then cover it up with contact paper. I did this because I believe that the contact paper will stick more to the paint than it would to the raw canvas. You'll notice that I'm slowly pulling off the backing and using the smoothing tool that came with the contact paper to smooth the contact paper as much as possible. I then flipped my canvas board over and used the cutting tool that also came with the contact paper to remove the excess. Here, I'm spending just a bit more time smoothing the contact paper from the back of the canvas board. I decided to enhance my wall art by adding some of this gold leaf that I had left over from a previous project. I used a small amount of Mod Podge to adhere the gold leaf to my contact paper. I allowed my Mod Podge to dry for about 30 minutes, and then I lightly brushed away the excess gold leaf. I then sealed my gold leaf by adding a thin layer of the Mod Podge over the entire canvas. Once the Mod Podge dries to the touch, which usually takes about 30 minutes, I had something that looked like this. I repeated those steps to make a second piece, and I'll be placing both of these in my upstairs bathroom. I think that this inexpensive faux marble wall art turned out beautiful. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, Dazzlers, bye.